Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove open to work mention from your post. So here when I click on my name, the right panel, you can see in the profile that open to work is mentioned, and here you can also see that in the box open to work is enabled. So what if I want to remove it? For that you need to click on this pencil icon in the box, and then here in the bottom left you will see delete from profile button. You need to click on it. So here you need to again click delete, and when you refresh your tab you will see that open to work mention has been removed. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.